Fun facts and science for curious kids. Bacteria are tiny living things, too small to see without a microscope. They are found everywhere, in the air, water, soil, and even inside your body. Some bacteria are helpful, while others can make you sick. In yogurt and cheese, helpful bacteria help make these foods. In our stomach, good bacteria help us digest food. On our skin, bacteria help protect us from bad germs. In dirty places, some bacteria can cause diseases. Good bacteria help with digestion, make vitamins, protect us from bad germs. Bad bacteria can cause infections like sore throats and food poisoning. Washing hands and eating healthy foods keep bad bacteria away. Bacteria multiply super fast by splitting into two. One bacteria can become millions in just a few hours. That's why food can spoil quickly if left out. Scientists use microscopes to see bacteria up close. Bacteria come in different shapes: round, cocci, rod-shaped, bacilli, and spiral, spirilla. Wash your hands with soap and water. Cook food properly before eating. Keep wounds clean to prevent infections. And take antibiotics only when needed, as advised by a doctor. Your mouth is home to millions of bacteria, some good and some bad. Streptococcus mutans is a bacteria that causes cavities by feeding on sugar and producing acid. Brushing, flossing, and avoiding too much sugar help keep your mouth healthy. Viruses cause diseases like the flu and colds, while bacteria cause infections like strep throat. There are more bacteria in your mouth than people on Earth. Some bacteria glow in the dark. Without bacteria, we wouldn't have chocolate or cheese. Any questions? Remember, not all bacteria are bad. Some are our tiny helpers.